We have to work on our compatibility on screen because totoong couple kami, you know. So we're not in it just for showbiz. We're actually a real couple. So putting that on TV is a little more difficult, I would say, than just being ourselves because we're playing characters now. So yeah, we just do workshops, team building, if that's what you call it, where we work on being able to project what it is we want to show for the audience. So workshops talaga, that's really it, because we're already pretty, obviously we're really close. So the workshops is really what made it, I guess, the easiest for us.
Miho?
Yes po, yun po, katulad po na sinabi po ni Tommy, nag-workshop po kami bago po kami dito isalang dito sa Langit Lupa. At yung workshop na po yun ay marami naman po kami natutunan. Katulad ng, bago kami isalang lahat ng mga concern namin na katulad ng, kunyari, kailangan daw alamin namin yung mga linya namin, o kaya hindi lang yung linya namin, talagang lahat ng kung ano yung kwento ng Langit Lupa para namin malaman din kung paano namin ipoproject yung character namin. At saka, pag hindi po namin alam, syempre tatanong din po kami sa mga kasama namin na paano ba namin ito gagawin, sa mga staff ng Langit Lupa. Actually, mababait naman po sila, kaya super na-enjoy po namin na gawin.
Thank you. Aaron?
Yes, MJ, we have a question from Tito Bong De Leon of People's Journal.